Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with a great kit for you. So if you're the type of person for fall who doesn't necessarily love the typical fall colors, this is a great project for you. I think this is absolutely amazing. I actually want this for my own house. This is a beautiful metal silver pumpkin. Hangs from the jute cord, absolutely beautiful. And we've added some really pretty turquoise, tealish picks, fall picks to this, and some amazing ribbon. So this is going to be a really easy project to make this great door hanger. So to start out, I went through and I untied this little tag that comes on this pumpkin that says Happy Fall. And then we can just incorporate that back into our design in the end. Put this little thread back through here. Okay, so we're going to set this off to the side and we're going to add all our florals. So you can see on this pumpkin there's just a little metal ring right there, and that's where we are going to attach all of our pieces. I'm going to remove my little tags off of here. So we're going to start out, we have this really pretty eucalyptus. It's just a little small pick stem. And you want to go through and you want to fluff up your eucalyptus and bring it all to life. And then, as always, you want to trim a little bit off the end of your stems. And I always like to dip these paper wrap stems into some glue a little bit just to seal that off so they don't come unwrapped. Next, we have this beautiful hydrangea pick. I just love the colors in this. I do like your traditional fall colors, but I also love having something a little bit different. So we're just going to fluff this up. And again, I'm going to trim off the end of the stem a little bit. The stem's a little bit thicker. And we are just going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of that one too. Okay, we're going to fluff these up. Lay this hydrangea pick right on top of our eucalyptus. And next we're going to go in and create our bow. So this ribbon is so pretty. It's beautiful color and it's two-sided. You can see the cream on the back. And then we have this really fun jute burlap looking. And this is nice because you can leave it this way, or if you want to pull on the ribbon, it actually extends it out and gives it another look. So you've got your options either way. So we're going to start out with this beautiful ribbon. And in this bow, we're going to leave a little tail sticking up. We're going to make one loop and then leave a long tail. Then we're going to go back in with this and we're going to add our tail, a loop, pinch and gather. Remember, that's the secret to a great bow. Pinch and gather. Now we can go in and wire this off, and the wire is included in your kit. We're going to wire off our bow. Pull that nice and tight. And then we're going to take our picks that we've glued the ends on, and we're just going to lay our ribbon right on top of that. Wrap our wire around the back here. And that's going to hold our whole design into place. And then I just came right up in here to this metal loop that's already on the pumpkin, and then just wired my floral piece right to that loop. And then we can go in and shape this up and move this around. Got to make sure we trim our ends on our ribbon. Make those nice and pretty. Just fold those wire edges together and trim that little X, that little V right out of there. And this is beautiful wired ribbon, so it's going to keep its shape really nice. With this ribbon, I just kind of cut it at an angle. We're going to go in and fluff up our pick so you can see those beautiful flowers. Fluff that up. Let these show. And these are wired, so they're really nice, and they'll keep their shape. And then last but not least, we're going to go in with our Happy Fall tag. And I'm just going to go back in and use that existing jute that was on that and just tie that right on top of our bow that we just made. Pull that nice and tight. And move that out. Trim off our wires that we have up here showing. And you have a beautiful and amazing door hanger all ready for fall, that not so traditional fall. These would be great if you have a storm door, or don't forget those people in assisted living or a nursing home. These would look amazing. So check out this kit and more at shopdeeslouisville.com.